Nike revives Peter Moore's 1985 Dunklo with a fresh women's exclusive Khaki Leopard release for fall or winter 2025. Mixing leather and fabric, the design blends khaki, pearl white, and brown tones, highlighted by red swooshes and bright yellow stitching. A baroque brown midsole with speckled details ties the sneaker to Nike's eco-friendly Next Nature line. Faux leopard fur at the collar delivers the standout element, joining Nike's growing animal-inspired catalog. Red accents also decorate the spine branding and sole stitching, balancing earthy tones with bold details. Positioned within Nike Sportswear's seasonal lineup, the sneaker showcases both sustainable craftsmanship and fashion-forward flair. This update adds modern character to a heritage design, proving the Dunk's ability to evolve while staying iconic. Official photos are available, with a Nike.com launch expected before November, keeping sneaker enthusiasts on alert for the drop.